Senator Elizabeth Warren at a meet and greet in Iowa, campaigning and discussing her new plan for Medicaid for all Americans.
I have a plan that shows how we can have Medicare for all without raising taxes 1 cent on middle-class families.
Warren is proposing $20.5 trillion in new federal spending. Employers would contribute $8.8 trillion, replacing what they currently pay towards private insurance. Extra take-home pay would be taxed for $1.4 trillion. Crackdowns on tax evasion and fraud would generate $2.3 trillion. The balance of the money, $4.8 billion, comes from targeted taxes on large corporations and billionaires.
And it's all fully paid for by asking the top 1% and giant corporations to pay a fair share. I believe in an America where we can have a government that isn't just working better and better for those at the top, but a government that's working for all of us. And Medicare for all is a part of that.
Under Warren's plan, middle-class Americans would no longer pay health premiums or copays, and they would not pay new taxes to fund the plan. Warren says even Americans with good health insurance would benefit.
A plan where someone who has good health insurance, but who right now faces rising premiums, rising copays, rising deductibles, rising out-of-pockets for health care coverage that isn't covered, see a solution.
All right, not surprisingly, many of the other Democrats running for president are taking shots at Warren's plan. Joe Biden called it mathematical gymnastics, saying it would be impossible to pay for without tax increases on the middle class. He added companies would pass off their costs to employees. Live in the newsroom, I'm John Muller.